Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to select multiple photos on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, of course, we need to go to our photos or we can also go to our finder, okay? So let's say we go to our photos application, okay? So here guys, so don't mind on the images that I have right now. So what we're gonna do guys is we just have to press the command key. Okay, press that one, hold that one guys, and in your mouse guys click the what, also hold the left key. Okay, and drag it guys. Okay, where do you want to select the the photos, whatever you wanted guys. So and also guys, if you want to select also the other way, you can also press the command key plus the A or letter A. Okay, command A. So as you can see, all the photos has been selected. Okay, so that's it guys. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.